Now, ahora sí.
When I look at this SpongeBob, watch what's gonna happen.
Let's see. Magic trick.
Magic trick. You know where to go.
Well, show your hands. It's not in your hands.
It's not in
Okay,
my hand.
where is it?
It's in here, and you know what is in my back?
No.
Look at me. Right there.
Oh my god. Show the one with the penny.
The penny?
Yeah, hold on, let me get the penny. Say something to make it fall real fast. Hold on.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, now what?
I want to see that.
Okay.
Show the penny.
When I look at this penny, and watch what's gonna happen. It's not in my hand.
Where is it? Where's it? Is it in your mouth?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Oh, it came out of your mouth.
Trick.
It's magic.
That's magic trick. That's what I can do with magic. I can make this disappear.
Okay, make it disappear.
Look. Put it in my back. Then it's gonna disappear.
Oh my goodness, it's gone.
It's in my back.
Okay, we're running out of the thing.
And watch what's gonna happen.